Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to know a little more about India's number one business platform that is helping lakhs of Indians earn up to 25,000 rupees per month from home. The Meesho app. How to use it? Meesho Reselling is very simple business app. Here you can sell top quality and trendy products listed at wholesale rates to your customers for a profit. Now you're wondering, right? How Meesho helps to do that? Meesho brings thousands of quality products collected from top suppliers at wholesale prices. All you need is to share these products, image and its description to your friends and family or few customers on your social media sites like WhatsApp, Facebook and so on. If they like the product, you can add your own profit margin on the product price and order the products from them directly to the app. When you place an order, Meesho handles the entire delivery process by picking up their product from the suppliers and delivering it to your customers without mentioning anything about the Meesho app to your customers. This way it creates trust between you and your customers. Meesho offers cash on delivery as payment method. After delivery, Meesho collects the entire amount from your customer and transfers your profit margin to your added bank account. Meesho also provides 100% refund policy. If your customer is not happy with the product, you can go through the Meesho app and place a return or exchange request. Meesho will pick up the product from the customer for exchange and will refund the entire amount. Now, let's see two things. First, how to share your products with your customer, and the second, how to place an order. When you open the Meesho app, you can see high variety of product catalog at wholesale prices. A catalog is a collection of similar products in different sizes and you can share the entire catalog or single product. Most of our experienced resellers share the entire catalog with their customers, so I will show you how it is done. When you click on and open a catalog, you can see a green button, Share Now, that allows you to share the entire catalog on WhatsApp with your customers. I click on the Share Now button and it takes me to WhatsApp and I share it with my family and hit on the Send button. You can see the catalog is shared. Variety of images, the same product is shared, and to share the description I again go back and it takes me back to the WhatsApp and I select my family and the description is shared on the size, pattern and easy returns available mentioned in the description. You will see the images of all products in the catalog have been shared with your customer, and you can see the wholesale price of the product is not shown to your customer and there is no mention of the Meesho app also in the description. This is because Meesho allows you to decide your own profit margin if your customer shows interest in the product. How to place an order if your customer wants to buy the product of the catalog you shared. Go to my account and you can see my shared catalog. Click on my shared catalog and you can see all the shared catalogs. Click on the product your customer wants to buy and here you will see select size. I select M and click on continue and you have three various options: on delivery, Paytm and online method. Meesho will collect the final amount only after delivery from your customer and transfer your profit margin safely to your bank. Now here you can see order total is 350. I click on cash on delivery. If you choose online payment, then you pay only the product price to Meesho and you can collect profit margin from your customers directly via any other payment mode. Because of our resellers select cash on delivery as payment method, I select cash on delivery and here I add my own profit margin order total is 350 and I add my profit margin plus 20, so that is 370. Margin will be directly transferred to your bank account. And now I click on continue. As you can see, the order total is 350 and I added plus 20 and click on continue, and then here you have to enter your customer's name, their contact, flat and street details, PIN code, city and state. Now save address and click on continue. Click on save address and continue. You can see the order summary with payment method is cash and delivery and 350 plus 20 your profit margin, and click on continue, and you can see your order is placed. You can also see margin is rupees 20 what you earned, and you can also cancel or track your order like you do in the normal apps. Profit margin, once the amount is collected from the customer, will be transferred to your bank. So you can enter your bank details, account number, account holder's name, and click on submit. Your customer will never know about the actual cost of the product. And remember, there is no mention of Meesho on the package delivered to your customer. So, with Meesho, thousands of Indians have been able to start their business from home and earn. Hoping that you might have understood how to use Meesho app, so get started. To get more information related to online money making, you may join our free internship Yuva Atmanirbhar project. In this internship, you will learn how to earn money by sitting at home. IPSR started this project with an aim to make 1 lakh students self-reliant through this internship. You will be learning about social media marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and with that, you will have an opportunity to earn according to your performance. You will also get project guidance from our well-experienced digital marketing team. Yarn Project is an internship program and it's absolutely free. You need not spend money for this internship. To be a part of this program, you need to fill the application form and submit. So click on the link in the description below and become part of this exciting opportunity to enhance your skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.